of expressing K map. Either it can be said as K map, Karnoff map, Km map, or Kv map. Up till here, was it understood? I'm clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Okay. So, this Karnoff map method or K-map method is the pictorial representation of the Boolean equations and Boolean manipulations, right? These are used to reduce the complexity in solving them. Okay, it means what? See, Boolean expressions in earlier some numericals we have done where we have uh, solved the numerical using Boolean laws. Okay, Boolean laws and theorems. Remember? Remember we had done numericals using Boolean laws and theorems?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here this is another method of solving the Boolean laws and Boolean expressions without using Boolean laws and theorems. Okay, so by using Karnoff map technique, we can reduce the Boolean expression containing any number of variables such as 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, and even you can go up till solving the Boolean expression having 7 variables. Okay, right up till here. Next, minimization with Karnoff maps, right, and advantages of K maps. Okay, so K maps, first thing is K maps are used to convert the truth table of Boolean expression into minimized SOP form. It means K map will be used for the mean terms. Okay, it will be used for the mean terms to convert into minimized SOP form. Okay. Next, easy and simple basic rules are there for the simplification. Right. Next advantage of K-map is that the K-map method is faster and more efficient than other simplification techniques. Other simplification techniques means your Boolean laws and theorems, right? Above the Boolean laws and Boolean theorems, we use Karnoff maps to reduce the complexity to solve the Boolean expression. All rows in the K-map are represented using a square-shaped cells in which each square in that will represent a mean term. Okay, this point you can remember, we'll explain you once we go with the drawing of K-maps, right? Next one, it is easy to convert a truth table into K-map and a K-map to SOP form equation. Okay, fine up till here. You all have taken this down. All have taken this down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So now, see, when we talk about a truth table, okay, when we talk about a truth table, right, here we use the truth table to form the Karnoff map. Okay, so Karnoff map can be drawn for a 2 variable function, 3 variable function, 4 variable and 7 variable function. right? So how to draw the K map, right? We'll go to how to draw the K map. You all can see this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
is this visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we represent a K map. Right, you all have drawn that? Draw this. All of you can draw this. Done? You make a heading two variable K map. How to draw a two variable K map.
Ma'am, that one not visible.
Not visible. Just a minute. I'll try
It's not
to.
visible.
Now see.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
yes, ma'am.
You all have written K map of two variables.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Drawn the table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see, this is called as your K map. Now, when I say this is a K map for a function of two variables, it means when you draw the boxes, see, you can see four boxes here, okay? The first box, second box, this is third one and fourth one, okay? It means there are four cells. Okay, so when I say how to, it's a variable of variable of 2. So, okay, it means what? If you say it's a two variable function, then it means there will be 2 power n number of cells where n is number of variables. Am I clear? Yes, am I clear with this? Understood this, what I said here just now? Okay, see, now I say that you have to draw a K-map for a function of 3 variables. Then what? Here it will be 2 power 3. Then how many cells it will have?
8.
It will have 8 cells. Understood now? Up till here it was clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, this is a K-map for a variable or for a function of two variables. Okay, one variable is A, one variable is B. Okay, so there are different ways of expressing this K-map. Okay, so see, what we do, you first thing is you have to draw a cell like this. Okay, you have to draw a cell like this. Just a minute, I'll take a new one. Okay, so when you are asked to draw a K-map for a function of two variables, then first thing is you need to calculate the number of cells. So number of cells is equal to 2 power n, that is equal to 2 power 2, that is equal to a 4 cell. Okay, so what you will do, your first work is to draw a table which is having 4 cells. Okay, which is having 4 cells. Up till here, was it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to write the variable. So what we do a bifurcation. I write two variables. Okay, I'll write one variable here, one variable here. Right? Some important points you can make note it down. Right? There is no harm in interchanging the positions of these variables. I can write B here and A here. There is no harm in doing this. समझ में आया? So either I can take A here and B here, or I can take A here and B here. Understood up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then see, this is 0, 1. See, A is having two states, right? 0 else 1, right? A bar or A. Then B is having two states, 0, 1. Correct? समझ में आ रहा
Yes,
है?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see, once again let me do it. Up till here it was understood, I hope so. Okay, so when it is a two variable function, my first work is to draw a table having 2 power n, that is 2 power 2 number of cells, that is 4 cells. So I have drawn 4 cells. Right, I'll take two variables. I'll take one variable here A and one variable here B. Okay, I'll take two states 0, 1, 0 and 1. Up till here it was fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now there are different ways in which you can express this. Okay, so you can express this as, see, 0, 0. See, this 0 and this 0 is 0, 0. This 0 and this 1 is what? 0, 1. Okay. This 1 and this 0. It means it is 1, 0. This 1 and this 1. It means this cell is 1, 1. समझ में आया?
Yes,
Is this
ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This was clear, Prajwal?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So this
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
first way of representing the truth table. Okay. Now second way of representing the same truth table is, see, this step remains same. This step remains same. Let me take this as A and let me take this as B. Okay. This again 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. The another way of representing this is, see, 0, 0 is what? 0. 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 2, 1 1 is 3. Understood up till here? Yes. Understood up till here? Everyone? Yes or no?
Ma'am, once more.
Huh?
Once more, ma'am.
Once again? Okay. See, when you are being given or when you are asked to draw a K-map for a equation having two variables, right? So you now know that it is a two variable function. Okay, it's having a two variable. Okay, so first thing is you have to decide how many cells you should draw. Okay, so number of cells to be drawn is given as 2 power n, where n is number of variables. In this case, you are asked to draw a K-map for a two variable function. So your n becomes 2. So 2 square is equal to 4. It means you will have a K-map with 4 cells. Up till here it was understood, Tejas and Shiraz?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Okay, right? So once you decide, you have to draw a K-map with the 4 cells. Okay, K-map you have to draw with 4 cells. So the first way of representing this is you have to draw a table having 4 cells. Okay, then you have to give the bifurcation. You have to write the variables. One is variable A and one is variable B. Okay, there is no harm in interchanging the positions of A and B. Okay, you can write A here, you can write A here, and you can write B here. समझ में आया? Right? So now we know that there are two states, 0, 1, 0 and 1. Up till here, is that fine?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't got them.
See, first thing is you draw a truth table. You draw a truth table, right, for two variable function. So क्या लिखते हो तुम लोग? 4 states ना? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 you
Ma'am,
write,
screen is
right?
not visible, ma'am.
Oh. See, there's a network issue. Okay. What you do in your notebooks, you draw a truth table for a two variable function. Okay, let me go to the board. You draw a truth table for a two variable function. Board is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So
Yes,
when
ma'am.
you draw a truth table for a two variable function, what you have? You have A, B plus 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay, and row number what you get? Row number 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Up till here it is correct? ये समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, when we are drawing K-map, first thing is it's a as there will be 2 power 2 number of cells. Means there will be 4 cells in the K-map. Okay, so while drawing K-map, what we'll do? First we'll draw a box which should have 4 cells. You have 4 cells, right? You bifurcate the box. You can write A here and B here. Okay? There is no harm in changing these positions A here and B here. Up till here, was that understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, we had drawn this, right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Right? Matlab A is having 2 states, either 0 or 1. A is having only 2 states, either 0 or 1. So A have 2 states you write here, 0 and 1. And B is 2 states, 0 and 1. Understood up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see 0 0. So this cell is a 0 0 cell. 0 1. This cell is a 0 1 cell. This cell is 1 0 cell. This cell number is 1 1. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this is first way of representing a truth table. Right? Now second method of representing the truth table is with the help of row numbers. Okay. So I'll write A B 0 1 0 1. Right? See 0 0 is which row?
0th row.
0
Fourth
through.
row.
Yes, ma'am.
0 0 is 0th row, so I have written 0 here. 0 1 is first row, I'll write 1 here. 1 0 is the second row, so I'll write 2 here. 1 1 is third row, I'll write 3. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas and Shiraz.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am. Got
Now
it.
understood 0 0
Yes,
1 2
ma'am.
3.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
We'll proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right? So
Yes, ma'am.
this is also okay. This is equal to this. Okay. Now the third way of representing this K-map is what? See 0 0. This is equal to okay. So what I can do, see this is 0 1 0 1. So 0 can be written as B bar, 1 is written as B, A is written as A bar, and 1 is written as, okay. So तुम्हारा ये cell, this cell becomes A bar B bar, this cell becomes A bar B, this cell becomes A B bar, and this cell becomes A. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understood this,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
right? So see, there are different ways how you can express a K-map. I have explained you for a 2 variable, but for the 3 variable also representation remains the same. Either you can represent as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 0 0 0 0 0 1, like that also you can represent, or you can represent in terms of row numbers, or you can represent it in terms of variable system, directly variable system. Okay, so there are different ways. What I have explained is here is 3 different ways of expressing the K-map. Okay, this example for a two variable function. This was clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, one thing you remember. See, when I jump from this cell to this cell, okay, 0 is changing to 1. Okay, so why I am telling you this is when we have the change of state, right? Change of state, this only one variable can be changed. Okay, if I take 0, 0 here, I cannot take 1, 1 here. Understanding?
Explain once again, ma'am.
This was understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So see, what I mean to say is, when I jump from, see, there are two states here. Okay, this is one state, this is one state. So when I jump from one state to other state, only one variable I can change. I can change 0 to 1 or I can change 1 to 0. समझ में आया? I cannot see if it is 0, 0. I cannot take the next cell as 1, 1. समझ में आया? So next cell has to be 0, 1 only. See, 0 का 0 I have kept, 1 and I have changed, 0 I have changed it to 1. समझ में आया? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. So this point, the last point to remember, right? This becomes helpful for us when we form a K-map for a three variable function, right? But for, okay, I hope this was clear. Everyone? What is
Yes,
K-map was understood, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So to the Friday's test, we'll have a till K-map or three variable function, because tomorrow we'll finish a three variable function. Okay. So I hope you all understood this. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. You all
Okay,
can
thank you, ma'am.
quit now.
Yes, ma'am.